Good day, traders. This is your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Wednesday, October 1st, and I'm going to let you know what we did today in the room. Today, guys, we had 4 trades: 1, 2 short plays, power plays, 1 long understanding trade, another short trade here in the ES, all winners. In the TF, same thing. 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, same trades we took basically in the ES. And I'm gonna walk through them, and we're gonna go through them here real quick. The first trade we had was at 1958. The time was 8:39 Central Standard Time. Took that down. My first target was 1956. Second target was 1952, and it went a little bit further than that. So that was a nice I actually went about 8 points, but we'll call it a 6-point trade there. And that was it. Market came back up. We got short again down here. The price was 1950 quarter, and that one was good for about 3 points. It went down to 46 quarter, 46.50, so not quite 4 points. 50 quarter, and that was another beautiful trade right there. Market kind of dilly-dallied around, up, down. Once it came up here, we got long here. The time was 9:57 Central Standard Time. The price was 1951 quarter. 1951 quarter, and this box was here the whole time. I said this is where the market wants to go. We took it up there. Said take most of your contracts off. Okay, take most of your contracts off, and that was a nice about 5-point trade there. When we had runners left, once the market got over here, said if you even want to take another one off, take your last one off. We can, because we had another entry up here, higher up. So I said even if you get out, we'll be able to get back in again if the market's going to go, but this may be as high as it wants to go. And sure, this was actually the high of the day. And then we had another trade. Unfortunately, the room was closing. We got into this trade, and it did make a point on the trade. We got short 50 quarter again at 1048. I thought the market was coming down anyway. We had lower targets. We had 1946 and 1940 quarter, and then 1938 quarter. So we tried to get into the trade, got about a point, and depending on the risk management, depending on how many contracts people have, they may not have been able to stay in that trade. Wouldn't have lost any money. It would either been 1 point winner on whatever they took, and then they would have given a little bit back on that for a total break even. Again, it depends on how many contracts. Worst case scenario would have been a break even. Best case scenario would have been they would have been able to stay in, and as you see, the market went all the way down here. However, the room was closed, so even for people that stayed in, maximum they would have gotten is a couple points anyway that I can count. But as you see, the market went all the way here, all the way down. All of our targets were hit. 46 was hit, 40 quarter was hit, 38 quarter was hit, and we even had lower ones than that. Again, room was closed, so I'm only going to count about a point there, 1.5, and that's it. Same thing in the TF, even bigger winners. Short here, the same time as we shorted over there. Short here, the same time as we shorted. Long here, the same time as we went long there. And just a beautiful day. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 winners, and we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow. Until then, guys, have a great day.